Anthony, would you?
What? Her? I'm not into Asian girls. I would probably take a handy or a blowjob from her or something like that. But I'm not into the Asian girl. Maybe Southeast Asian. I don't know. I'd have to be. How much did I drink?
Did I drink?
Yeah, what's wrong with you? Well, let me see.
You know what? I've never. This is one of the things. You know how much I like Anthony.
Gets in the way of you getting pussy.
Your pussy racism is shocking.
Yeah,
that's because even slave owners slept with slaves. Like pussy is just so.
I'm very.
But wait a minute though. I'll tell you what.
Yeah.
I think you don't. I didn't do much reading about it, but you tell me. You don't hear stories that much of the German guys messing with the Jewish women during that time.
Well,
I don't hear much of it.
Yeah, it was some going on though. Yeah, I think so.
Like just how they looked and what they did to him, and you just didn't think it was no.
But it was so fucking against. Like if you got caught having sex with a Jewish woman back then, and you were a Nazi, you were fucked. You were fucked. You didn't do that. No.
That's shocking about it. We talked about this before, but it's usually pussy just... No. It just goes across lines.
It has nothing to do with... believe it or not, Patrice... Yes. Look at that picture of them. It has nothing to do with me going, I don't like this race of people, so I don't want to have sex with their women. I'm not attracted...
What is it then, nigga?
I'm not attracted... to like
you never were attracted to an exotic girl?
To like black women. Like there are some that are really hot, but they got to be like mocha kind of like tanned white women, black women. I don't like fucking, hey white boy, you best fuck me good. Mm-hmm. Like
fair enough.
Walmart big ass.
I get it. I get that. But sometimes you just come off like I'm not going to fuck anybody.
Like you thought because that's a young-looking, skinny chick that I would be all over it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But Asians, to me, yeah, I'd like to see it naked. I might, scrap one looking at a little titties or something.
I'm not a giant Asian, guy where I flip out.
Yeah.
But